Hey guys, in this video tutorial we are going to make a SQL Server on Azure SQL database, which is the cloud of Microsoft. So we are going to portal.azure.com and it doesn't support our browser. Okay, for the second time it is directing. So we logged into Azure. Now we are going to create a resource, a SQL database. It says save the current column, sorting, filtering, and summary as a view, and access your saved views here. Next. Switch between a list of resources. Okay, I got it. So create SQL DB. Free trial resource group. We should create a resource group. Okay. Now we go to the quick start. There is no option like creating a resource group, so there is one. My resource group is gonna be a new resource group. Single trial. We select a server, we create a new one based on the description. Location, I will choose Europe. Authentication method, use Azure Active Directory, use SQL authentication. Now we are going to check how we stored it in the Google Cloud. It's gonna be the same. Server name. Then okay, we're gonna make my MS SQL Server backup, and we confirm the given values. Okay, is the cheapest, €4.5. And we create it. It's gonna take some while. So the database creation has finished. So we created my second Cloud DB SQL database, and we see the overview here. Now what we need to do is going to set up a connection from our private computer. Now let's go configure access. Under configure access, just choose the option, it's by default on disable, choose the option selected networks, save it. Add firewall rules, add your client IPv address, the current one, name it as you wish, and make sure to enable allow Azure services and resources to access this server. Now let's click save. Now let's go under overview. SQL databases, my second Cloud DB, under settings. under connection strings, we can see the name of the server. What we are going to do is gonna open a Daybeaver, or you can open Microsoft tools like Microsoft SQL Server database management system, or some other tools. So just create a Microsoft Azure Cloud SQL Server, or you can rename it, edit the connection, copy paste the URL what we just saw, type in the username what we added in the previous video, and provide your password. Make sure that show all schemas and trust server certificate options are enabled. So we're gonna test the connection, and it's right. Just leave the port on the default 1433. Now let's click OK. Now we're gonna connect to the cloud. Okay, if it's not supported, then what will it do when I choose Microsoft Azure Cloud? Let's create a table. It shows it's created. Now we're going to refresh it. And it put it under the master. And what if we choose my second CloudDB? We cannot choose it. So we are going to play under the master for now. Okay, thanks for listening. This was this session. You can create a project in Azure. You can create a SQL server in Azure, and you can connect from your local computer. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you like to see more videos like this, more content like this, then please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.